Solar System. The solar system consists of the Sun and all the objects that are bound to it by gravity. The solar system consists of the Sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, the Moon, asteroids, comets, meteoroids, Kuiper belt, Oort cloud. The Sun. The Sun is a huge ball of hot gases at the center of our solar system. It gives us light and heat. What is the Sun made of? Mostly hydrogen, it is about 70%, and helium, about 28%. Why is the Sun important? It gives us light so we can see during the day. It provides heat, keeps our planet warm enough for life. The Sun helps to plants grow through photosynthesis. It controls the seasons and weather. It keeps planets in orbit. Its gravity holds all the planets around it. The 8 planets. Planet Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It is very hot during day and freezing at night. Smallest planet in the solar system. It has no atmosphere, so no weather or air. Planet Venus. It is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury due to its thick clouds. It is known as Earth's twin because of its similar size and shape. It spins backwards, opposite direction to most planets. Planet Earth. It is the only planet with life as we know it. It has water, air, and land, supports humans, animals, and plants. It is protected by an atmosphere that keeps us warm and safe. Planet Mars. It is called the red planet because of its iron-rich soil. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, that is Olympus Mons. The scientists are exploring Mars to see if life ever existed there. Planet Jupiter. It is the largest planet in the solar system, a gas giant. It has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. It has over 90 moons, including the largest, Ganymede. Planet Saturn. It is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Also a gas giant like Jupiter. It has over 80 moons, including Titan, which is bigger than Mercury. Planet Uranus. It looks blue-green due to methane gas in its atmosphere. It rolls on its side. It spins like a ball rolling. It is very cold and has faint rings. Planet Neptune. It is the furthest planet from the Sun. It is very cold and dark. It has strongest winds in the solar system. It appears deep blue and is similar to Uranus. Dwarf planets. Dwarf planets. A dwarf planet is a space object that orbits the Sun and is round like a planet but it is not big enough to clear other objects out of its path. They go round the sun just like planets. They are not moons. They don't orbit another planet. They are too small to push away other space rocks nearby. The famous dwarf planets are Pluto, once called the ninth planet. It has 5 moons, icy and cooled. Ceres, found in the asteroid belt, only dwarf planet in the inner solar system. Aries, almost the same size as Pluto, very far from Sun. Haumea, shaped like a football, it has rings and moons. Makemake, very cold and bright, found in the Kuiper belt. Moon. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth. It goes around the earth and it is the brightest object in the night sky. It orbits the earth. It takes about 27 days to go all the way round. It reflects sunlight. The moon doesn't have its own light. It shines because it reflects the sun's light. It affects tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's water and causes high and low tides in oceans. Phases of the moon. The moon looks different in each night. These changing shapes are called phases, like new moon, crescent moon, half moon, full moon. Asteroids. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that move around the sun just like planets, but they are much smaller. It is made up of rock and metal. Some are also dusty. Most are found in the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter. They are leftovers from the early solar system, like building blocks that never formed a planet. Comet. A comet is a small icy object that orbits the sun. When it gets close to the sun, it heats up and forms a bright tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. It is made up of ice, dust, and rock, sometimes called a dirty snowball. When near the sun, the ice melts and creates a glowing head and a tail. The tail always points away from the sun because of solar wind. Where do comets come from? Most comets come from far, cold areas like the Kuiper belt or the Oort cloud, far beyond Neptune. Halley's Comet, the most famous comet, it comes close to Earth every 76 years, next time in 2061. Meteoroids. Meteoroids are Chinese pieces of rock or metal floating in space. They are smaller than asteroids and come from broken parts of comets or asteroids. They travel through space at very high speeds. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, They burn up and become meteors, the shooting stars. If they don't burn up and reach the ground, they are called meteorites. Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is a region of space beyond Neptune filled with icy objects, comets, and dwarf planets. It is like a donut-shaped ring around the Sun, starting after Neptune. It is home to dwarf planets like Pluto, Haumea, and Makemake. Many short-period comets, those that return often, comes from here. Oort cloud. Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is a huge round cloud of icy objects far beyond the Kuiper belt. It's the outer edge of the solar system. It is shaped like a giant bubble or shell around the entire solar system. It may contain trillions of icy objects like comets and space dust. It is the home of long-period comets, ones that take thousands of years to return.